Hey guys, today we are making these amazing chocolate raspberry cupcakes. They are a soft chocolate gluten-free cupcake filled with our homemade eggless raspberry curd, topped with a luscious raspberry buttercream, and of course drizzled with more chocolate and a fresh raspberry on top. They're super delicious, and though they sound a little bit intense, they are so simple to make and so delicious. They are of course gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and they can easily be vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. We're going to start out by making our homemade raspberry curd. We're going to take granulated sugar, cornstarch, kosher salt, and just mix together until combined. We're going to add the milk and some orange juice and whisk again until the cornstarch is not clumpy. Then we're going to add our raspberries and we're going to cook over medium heat until it boils. Once boiling, we're going to cook for about another 5 to 6 minutes or so until it thickens. Then immediately remove from heat and add in our butter, strain it through a mesh colander or sieve, whisk again, and now we're just going to let it cool for about 30 minutes or so while we are making our cupcakes. So first for our cupcakes, we're going to take milk and we're going to add white vinegar, mix, let sit about 5 minutes until thick and chunky. Then we're going to take our gluten-free flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and our kosher salt, and we're just going to whisk until combined. Then we're going to make a well in the middle of our dry ingredients, and we're going to take our water and cornstarch and mix until thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Then we're going to add that cornstarch water into the middle of the dry ingredients, that homemade buttermilk we made, warm water, vegetable oil, and pure vanilla extract. And we're just going to whisk until it is fully combined. It will be very thin at first. As it thickens, switch to using a spatula. Next, we're going to fill our cupcake tin. We're going to fill each cupcake tin about 3/4 of the way full. Then we're going to bake for about 24 minutes. While they're baking, let's make the frosting. We're going to take butter and confectioner's sugar, and we're going to add about 5 tablespoons of our raspberry curd, and we're going to mix until it is fully combined. Next, we're going to add in our water a little bit at a time. We may not need it all. And we're just going to mix the frosting until smooth and creamy. Then we're going to make holes in our cooled cupcakes. You can use a piping bag. I just like to use a clean finger. Now we're going to fill our cupcakes with the curd. We're going to fill the curd all the way up to the top. We're going to chill them, and then we are going to frost them. I like to frost them with a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, that's okay. You can just use a butter knife or an icing spatula. That works fine as well. Next, we are going to heat our chocolate chips in 15-second increments until fully melted. Once melted, we're just going to drizzle it on top of that raspberry frosting, and that is it. I also like to take a little bit of that extra curd and drizzle it on top for a beautiful pop of color, but that's completely optional. You don't have to do that. After that, I like to top them with a fresh raspberry, and I hope you guys love these chocolate raspberry cupcakes as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.